A new trade deal between India and the United States is in the works, and India is taking a very smart and bold approach by breaking it into three clear phases. The goal? That is to protect India's interest and make sure that Indian businesses and exporters don't get hurt when Donald Trump's new tariffs come into effect in July 2025. So let's break it down in a super simple way so that you can understand exactly what's happening and why it matters. So after US President Donald Trump returned to the White House in February, India was one of the first countries to restart trade deals with his administration. Prime Minister Modi and President Trump agreed to boost trade ties, and they both want to get a fair deal in place as soon as possible. But Trump has warned about retaliatory tariffs, taxes on goods that come into the US from other countries, including India. So, India wants to act fast and lock in the first part of the trade deal before July, when those new tariffs might begin. Now, the most important part. What's India's three-step plan? India isn't rushing into a big, complicated trade deal all at once. Instead, it has suggested a three-phase trade agreement that moves step by step, ensuring that both the sides benefit equally. First of all comes phase 1, to be finalized before July. This particular phase will cover basic trade needs like easier access to industrial goods, select farm products, and fixing some non-tariff barriers like quality checks and certification rules that make it really hard for Indian products to enter the US market. Then comes phase 2, expected between September and November. This one is more comprehensive. It will cover 19 key areas that both the sides agreed on back in April. It could include things like digital trade, services, intellectual property, and e-commerce. Interestingly, this could also match the time when US President Donald Trump may visit India for the Quad Leaders Summit. And lastly, phase 3, likely in 2026. The final part of the deal will need approval from the US Congress. It will likely include long-term agreements on investment, deeper market access, and protection for both the countries' industries and their workers. Right now, India's Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal is in the Washington for 4 days, meeting key US officials like trade representatives and commerce secretary. These meetings are very important to keep things moving and secure an agreement very soon. Even though the US hasn't clearly said yes to these three-phase plan yet, but Indian officials are very confident and they say that the discussions are moving in the right direction. So the question is there any tension? A little, but India isn't backing down. Just last week, Indian officials warned the US that if they go ahead with Trump's new tariffs, India will also place equal taxes on US goods coming into India. It is also called reciprocal duty. If you tax us, we'll tax you. On the other hand, Trump said that India even suggested removing all the tariffs on US products, but it didn't seem in a rush to finalize any trade deal. He's known for his tough talk, specifically on the trade. But India is being smart, calm, and strategic, pushing forward with the quiet strength and clarity. Well, Indian exporters need stable trade rules right now to grow their businesses in the US. A fair deal will help Indian IT, agriculture, manufacturing, and pharma companies expand, and also phase negotiation gives India more control and flexibility. India is showing that it is no longer just a soft player. It's ready to stand up and protect its interest on the global stage. In the end, the India-US trade deal isn't just about taxes or any goods. It's about showing the world that India can negotiate strongly and fairly with even the biggest global power. Instead of rushing, India has offered a step-by-step roadmap that ensures that both the countries actually win. With smart leadership, good timing, and firm negotiations, India is clearly saying, we are ready to trade, but only on equal terms.